So here's what I got. I got welding blanket, 8 foot by 8 foot. Picked this up at Harbor Freight. Don't remember how much for. And some cable. And we're going to hang the cable from one wall to the other and create our partition to keep the chaos limited to one side of the garage. Okay, so this is what we did up here. Since we didn't have a stud where we needed it, we found our 2 studs behind the wall, cut a piece of 2x4 to fit in between them, screwed them into the studs, and then screwed our eye screw into that as our stud. So there's our starting point. Alright, now the hard part. Dealing with all that extra wire, getting it looped through the eyelets in each section, stringing it up on the other end, and tightening everything down. See how it goes. Time out. I gotta figure this thing. Alright, I think I sort of figured it out. These guys. Little finger grips, or finger vice grips, the little itty bitty ones. I can clamp it onto the wire and temporarily hold it until I can move on to the next section. So tighten that end about halfway. I'm sure I'm going to have to come back and tighten it again after the cable stretches a little bit. That's a pretty good start. And kind of like it so far. Hopefully when I tighten up this other end, I'll take more of that slack out, get tighter, look cooler. Very reasonable partition to try to contain chaos. All the projects I mentioned earlier, I was most concerned about this one, but I don't think it's that terrible. See if I can back up enough here. There. I like it. On to the next project. Okay. Here is why I'm kind of an idiot. Those welding blankets that I threw up there, piles and piles of fiberglass. And I was thinking the other day, when I put these silly things up, why the hell am I so itchy? Look at the packaging a little bit more, start seeing fibers floating around. Like, oh, crap. Should have been paying better attention. I know some of you are going to say, wow, this guy's an idiot. It's kind of true sometimes. So I wasn't paying very good attention. I was initially excited about the way it looked and that it had this like kind of cool sheen on it. I thought they were going to be a lot more canvas-like. They are not. They're fiberglassy, not a very tight weave. Fiberglass is falling out all over the place. So now I have to take all this down and throw up some canvas cloth or some canvas tarps instead. But the good news is that a lot of the hard work's done, as far as the where the string or the cable is actually run. So I just got to take everything down, put new stuff back up, and it gives me an opportunity to improve on it instead of having these baggy sections here on the ends here. I can actually get some tarp that will actually fit that a little better, be a little tighter, look a little neater, be a little cooler. So I'll finish my coffee, got my long sleeve shirt, disposable shirt on, and we'll get to work.
Here we go!
A lot better. I like it a lot better. I got everything a lot tighter. It's a lot less floppy. A little bit darker. It does make this half of the garage a little bit darker. I don't know if you can tell, but I figured I was going to have to get some additional lighting around here anyway. But most of the time I'll probably just be working with the garage door open. So, yeah. Is that Davey? Come here, Davey. Say hi. This is King David, the luck dragon. Alright, moving on. More projects.